Welcome back. This is the Alexandra Couture look, and to create this unruly texture I'm going to use crimpers and dust it powder to create big volume in the hair. So have fun. A tip to create this look, once you've finished using the dusted powder, would be to get a hairdryer and really blast off the shape, just to really loosen off the hair and to create this unruly texture. To create this unruly style, get your model to tip her head upside down and really shake out the style using dry boost. Watch out because we're going to be releasing new videos every week, so check this out.